friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is ramen. So let's get started. First we'll boil water, that is about 1 liter. Once it starts boiling, we'll add the seasoning to it. I'm using the Shin ramen. We'll just simmer this for about 2 minutes. Then we'll add the noodles. And we'll keep it to simmer for about a minute. To this we'll add 1 root of spring onion, then 3 numbers of sausage, and we'll mix it all together really well. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. We'll keep this to simmer for about 5 minutes so that all the essence, all the flavors mix it up all together really well. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Then add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And we'll just keep it to simmer. Our ramen is now ready. Top it up with sweet corns, spring onions, boiled egg, sweet chili sauce, seaweed, whatever you wish, and enjoy your spicy ramen. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of that.